Sharad Yadav passed away at the age of 75 on 12th January 2023. In which field was he known for?
Politics.
Where was the Center of Excellence on Classical and Quantum Communications for 6G inaugurated?
Chennai.
Who will lead the 28-member Indian athletics team at the Paris 2024 Olympics?
Neeraj Chopra.
Which mission was approved by the Union Cabinet with a 2,000 crore rupees investment to enhance weather forecasting in India?
Mission Mausam.
On which date did the National Brain Research Centre celebrate World Brain Day 2024?
22nd July.
In which country are lessons in relationships and sex education, RSE, set to be compulsory for 15 to 18-year-olds at schools?
Ireland.
What is the range of scholarships that the government plans to offer under the PM Yashasvi Scholarship Test?
Rupees 75,000 to rupees 1,25,000 per year.
What is the name of the satellite used by Chinese scientists to discover a new pattern in solar rotation?
Chase.
Which state has approved the construction of the state's first ultra-supercritical plant of 800 megawatts?
Uttar Pradesh.
Where was the Global Summit on Human-Wildlife Conflict held?
Oxford.
Which state's CM has laid the foundation stone for the Mullapeta port?
Andhra Pradesh.
Which district in Kerala has been equipped with advanced X-band radar to enhance disaster preparedness after devastating floods and landslides in July 2024?
Wayanad.
Rafah border crossing is located between which of the following?
Egypt and the Gaza Strip.
Recently, India and Croatia conducted the 11th session of Foreign Office consultations at which place?
New Delhi.
Where is India's first beachside startup fest, Emerge 2024, being hosted?
Bangalore.
In which city is the National Food Conclave scheduled to be organized?
Hyderabad.
Which city was recognized as India's first UNESCO City of Literature on 23rd June 2024?
Kozhikode.
Which financial institution achieved a market capitalization milestone of over 8 lakh rupees crore?
State Bank of India.
Where will President Draupadi Murmu inaugurate the 7th International Dharmadhamma Conference?
Bhopal.
Recently, which country conducted the joint naval exercise with US, Australia and Japan?
Philippines.
What was India's position in the medal table at the Asian Wrestling Championship 2023 held in Astana, Kazakhstan?
7th.
The Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises organized the National SC-Cent Hub Conclave in which of the following states?
Jharkhand.
Who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Medical Services in the Indian Armed Forces?
Sadhana Saxena Nair.
Which country signed the Communication Interoperability and Security Memorandum of Agreement (CISMOA) with the US?
Pakistan.
Typhoon Kongre has hit which country recently?
Taiwan.
Where was the 19th Non-Aligned Movement (NAM) Summit held?
Kampala.
Which bank did Devdutt Chand become the new managing director of?
Bank of Baroda.
Who has been named as the brand ambassador for Redmi India smartphones?
Sonu Sood.
Which edition of the biannual Army Commanders Conclave 2023 will be conducted in a hybrid format?
First.
Grow Report and Portal, recently seen in the news, is launched by which one of the following?
Niti Aayog.
Recently, which state's Etaline hydroelectric project has been cancelled by the Forest Advisory Committee?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Which state launched a statewide 15-day mega registration drive for MSMEs?
Uttar Pradesh.
Where was the Bhumi Pujan and foundation stone-laying ceremony for the IFFCO Nano DAP liquid plant held recently?
Gandhidham, Gujarat.
Which institution released the Faster 2.0 portal?
Supreme Court of India.
Who topped the Edelweiss Hurun Philanthropy List 2024 as India's most generous philanthropist?
Shiv Nadar.
Which bank has formed a digital co-lending partnership with Clicks Capital on the Yubico Lend platform for lending to India's MSME sector?
Karnataka Bank.
When is World Sports Journalist Day observed?
2nd July.
Which organization has collaborated with the Election Commission of India, ECI, for providing authoritative information on voting processes?
Google.
What is the primary habitat of emperor penguins, recently seen in the news?
Pack ice and surrounding marine areas in Antarctica.
In which state did the Saurashtra Tamil Sangamam begin with great zeal and enthusiasm?
Gujarat.